Come on, bro. You ain't got one yet? You ain't got a PS5 yet?
Oh, yeah. You already know what that... Well, I don't know. You might not know what that is. Unless you've been keeping up with the latest. Let's get it right, though. Yeah. You see what that is. Yeah. You see that Laney? Well, it don't say Laney, but yeah. Yeah. These are women exclusive, so they only went up to a 12 in women, which is a 10.5 in men. My 11.5 sold out, so I had to settle for the 12, which is a 10.5 in men. They clean though. I've been said I wanted these joints, so you know, just got them to get them. Ain't nothing really too special besides the name of the colorway, and you know they go with Mike's Hospital. They clean though. Got the little hang tag on the joints. I don't know why they went with that color for the hang tag, but I ain't complaining. It would have made sense though for a Laney hang tag, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna complain no more. Probably won't even wear the hang tag. What I'm doing? These joints go with the Travis Scotts, don't they? The 4s. And what is this on the hang tag? A little imperfection. If that dog stop, shut the hell up over there. Y'all might can hear me. Y'all see that little imperfection on the hang tag? What the hell is that? Cause it don't look like that on this side. It's like something sticking out or something on this joint. I don't know what that is. See, it got the black and red on the tongue. So it looks like on the inside. Oh, we do got extra laces, huh? Yeah, some Laney laces. It already come laced though with the yellow. That Laney lace, it might be too much blue if you put the Laney laces in there. I don't know. What y'all think? These official or what? I mean, I know they official, authentic, but are they official like they a good shoe that just dropped, or did y'all pass on these joints? Let me know.
Jay's fresh and I blaze the best. Thanks for the props, you can say the rest. Yeah, Jay's fresh and I blaze the best. Thanks for the props, you can say the rest. Jay's fresh and I blaze the best. Thanks for the props, you can say the rest. Yeah, Jay's fresh and I blaze the best. Thanks for the props, you can say the rest. Yeah, Jay's fresh and I blaze the best.
Jay's fresh and I blaze the best. Thanks for the props, you can say the rest. Yeah, Jay's fresh and I blaze the best. Thanks for the props, you can say the rest. Jay's fresh and I blaze the best.